Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so basically this is a strategy I shared on my last video. All right, the most recent video I shared here. This is the same strategy. Okay, but in this video I will be sharing with you guys how to use it on boom and crash. Okay, in the other video I showed you guys how you can use it to trade volatility. Okay, but in this one I'll be showing you guys a very unique way that you can use this same strategy to trade with boom and crash. All right. So before I go into that, I want to tell you guys about the upcoming free beginners class that I will be hosting in my Telegram channel. Okay, so in case you haven't heard about that, I'm telling you now. Okay, there's a free beginners class which I'll be hosting in my Telegram channel on the 5th of September. Okay, so do take this opportunity and join that Telegram channel so that you will not miss this lifetime opportunity. Okay, so if you want to join, you check the description of this video. There's a link that will take you directly to my Telegram channel. Okay, so with that being said, let me quickly explain how this strategy work. All right, because I don't want this video to be too long. So before you use this strategy, you are first of all going to analyze using the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we are going to move to the 15-minute time frame now. All right, so here on the 15-minute time frame, this is what you should do before taking an entry with this strategy. So you are going to first of all allow price to get to the overbought level. This is crash. Okay, so it's going to be at the overbought level. Okay, so on boom, you are going to wait for price to get to the oversold level as you are seeing here. Okay, so let's go back to crash. Let's go back to crash. All right, so here on crash right now, this is a spike catching strategy. In case you don't know, it's a spike catching strategy. We use this strategy to catch spike. All right, we are not trading against spike with this one. All right, so take note of this. Now once you spot that price has gotten to this level, this overbought level, and make sure it's touching the blue Bollinger Band here before waiting for the condition on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so once you see that it has gotten to the overbought level and it's touching the blue line, this green line here is touching the blue line, then you go to your 1 minute time frame. All right, the 1 minute time frame is where you'll be taking the entries from. All right, so now on the 1 minute time frame, this is what you have to observe before you take an entry. So let's say you have analyzed from the 15-minute time frame, then you came down to the 1 minute time frame. Now you are going to see that price will be at the overbought level too, touching this blue line. Now you don't go in yet. All right, so you are going to wait for a spike. So once the spike happens and you see that it has crossed below this yellow moving average here, so once it's crossed below it, that is when you should take your entry. And this is how you should do it. Like immediately it crosses below that, you are to take your entry immediately. All right, you take your entry immediately from this area here, and then your stop loss would be, let's say this is where you take your entry from, your stop loss should be above this area here. All right, so that is how you should do it. Your stop loss should be above, and then you just hold till what is it called? Let me get rid of this thing. All right, so you are going to hold till price gets to the oversold sold level, which is the 15 level. So once you see that price gets to this level, you exit the market. Okay, you exit the market. It's as simple as that, guys. So that is how you just scalp. This is a scalping strategy. You don't need to hold for long, all right? Because mostly it will just, like, for example, you see this area now, you see that it was previously touching the blue level, all right? So let me mark that area so that you see what I'm trying to say. So this is the area it got to the level. That's why I said immediately if it gets to the oversold level at the 1 minute time frame, you exit, because it will reverse back again. Sometimes it will continue, but once you are fast enough, you get that profit and you leave the market. All right, so the same thing happened here. This is at the area I mark at the 15 level. So you can see here, after this spike, look at this one, was even long. After this spike, it must not necessarily mean that you, like, if the stop loss you are setting is too big for your account, you can like choose not to take that trade. Okay, so it's not every trade you take with this strategy. Okay, it's not every trade you take. So once it spike like this, now once you see this spike, you go in, you place your stop loss above. Let's say your stop loss is at this area, then you are going to hold till it gets to the oversold level here. So as you can see, this is another successful trade. All right, so if I'm to show you guys another example again, you are still going to see that this thing, it wins almost all the time. All right, so this is another example here again, like this is another one here again. All right, this is immediately it touches that, all you have to do is to go to the 1 minute time frame, wait for that crossing to happen, and you execute your trade. All right, so in case you want to go and hold for long, it will reverse and take you out. So you don't need to hold for long with this strategy. That is what I'm trying to tell you guys. You don't need to hold for long. It's a get out situation. Just hold a little bit and then you exit the market. All right, so as you can see now, maybe this price will go back again. All right, and once I see that it has gotten to this blue line again, I will still look for sell entry. All right, so it's as simple as that. The zoom level doesn't really matter, but this is the zoom level I use. You zoom out completely, zoom in 1, 2, like this. This is the zoom level for this. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. Make sure you backtest it, and you should make sure it's working very well for you before going in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notification anytime I upload a new video, and please don't forget to give the video a like if you are getting value from it. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Maybe I might even show you guys how to trade with this strategy in a different method again. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks guys.